Hi, this is Sayali from Sayali's Art. Today we are painting a Hulk on a canvas bag. I have made a outline drawing. Don't forget to insert a thick cardboard inside it or the color will penetrate. First, cover it with a single wash. Black hair, red Hulk. Then we will shade it. Borders should be perfect. Afterwards, you cannot see the pencil lines. Then let it dry completely. Now the shading starts. I am referring the Hulk picture and shading as per. Doing so much shading and mixing tones on the bag for the first time, but enjoying. So you too enjoy my process. If you do like to watch my videos, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you are in and around Pune and want such different hand painted bags for your kids, please do mail me or write in the comment box below. If you want to mix two colors, either you can mix in the palette or when the colors is wet, you can do it on the canvas itself. Once the color is dry, it's permanent, but you can keep on adding layers till you make it perfect. I just wrote the name of the child for whom it was made. The lips are too blue and the body color is too light, so matching it. You need to use black color or black pen where you want outlines. And now coloring the name. Have turned out to be very well. It's said you are satisfied after a lot of hard work and a smile when you get in return. Thank you for enjoying my video. Have a great day.